A mental note, this is the tomatoes completely out of control now. I needed to get pruning them. See, I thought I'd get these pruned and then these would be ready. Now these are ready too, so at least I have my little wheelie cart now to do them with. But this is gonna be a big job. Are you having a nice bath, Fred? Hmm? Are you having a nice bath? Betty? Barney's your partner, not Fred. That's Wilma's partner. My babies today. Eh? Are you looking for more food? No, you can't come out. But these guys are so pretty. Oh, look at you. Look at the camera. What is that? There's one little, I'm assuming it's a hen, still has some baby fluff around her neck. I don't know why she's so tiny. This one's really big and is always coming over to me, so I hope it's a hen. I know you're supposed to be able to look at the neck feathers and something else, and I think this guy's a rooster. It's going to be a pretty one. But I want you to be a henny. Yeah. Now that one, look at the comb on that sucker. He's a rooster, I'm sure. But most of the Americana look like hens to me. But then I don't know how big the combs get on these speckled Sussex. See, that one there barely has any comb at all. That one is very prominent. So, but very pretty Americanas here, and I think most of them look like hens. Fingers crossed. That one there I think I'm going to call Pepper, and the one in the corner Salt. Isn't he beautiful? Or she? Please be she. I'm not sure. That one might be a roo. Oh. Yeah, these buffs are always picking at my toes. And the speckled Sussex are quite a bit smaller. But then buffs are big chickens. So, one in the very corner has like no tail feathers. It's the weirdest looking one. Don't know if it's a hen or a roo. Now I am sure this is where I just finished picking, and look at this. These all need to be picked. Oh my goodness. I don't know if planting 3 rows was a good idea. Look at them hanging off the side of here. Yeah, these are ready to pick. How is that possible? I just finished this row. Or at least I thought it was this row. Oh my goodness, I'm going to have to get my pea shucking. Holy moly. I was thinking I need to go do this 3rd row. No, I think that's the one I did first. So maybe this is the row I'm supposed to be doing. Oh, I'm so confused. No, I think it was that row I just finished. So this is the next row to pick because I couldn't get the cart through there. We should have put a fence up for these beans. These ones are bush beans, but these ones are pole beans, so they keep going over to the fence trying to latch on, and I couldn't get the cart through. So it is this row I have to do. Well, I got this drywall pail about 2/3 full, and Chris came out and got about a half of the smaller bucket, so that's quite a bit. And I think we're gonna have to pick some beans pretty quick. Get them blanched in the freezer. Lots of blossoms still too. And we've got these big tomato plants pruned. So now you can see there's actually quite a few tomatoes on them. And these tomatoes get really large. There's a whole clump of them in there. There's a really big one down at the bottom of this plant. So I had to get add another row of twine at the top to hold all the branches in. Now I can sort of see my way through in between. So yeah, these are done. Quite a few tomatoes. There's a big doozy there too. Quite a few here. And tons of blossoms still, but this is Alberta, so look at these crazy things. I think it was probably 2 weeks ago now that I pruned them, and they literally looked like sticks, like this. So now I gotta get back and do these. This is gonna be a lot easier with that rolling cart though. Really pleased with that thing. I like the little tractor seat on it, and it swivels around, so you know, I can go in between the rows and do my thing. These guys come close every time I come around because they're little pigs and want to be fed. So pretty, you guys. Put your hand up if you're a rooster. These two here look really close. But that's the one that has like no tail feathers, which is the weirdest thing. It's just like a little tuft of fluff. And this is the big brute. Will I call you Brutus? Not sure if we can keep you. And then these fluffy ones. I've been wanting buffs for so long. Sorry guys, gotta go to work. No time to play with chickens. Okay, back to this nightmare. Get this clump done. This is the original weeds. Of course, look at the seeds on them. And then I gotta get this corner done, which is almost solid thistles. Then I can go back and get the clumps of clover as much as I can. Feed it to the chicks. The beets are getting covered by the butternut squash leaves now. So that didn't work out so well. The onions are still doing well.